Isabella!
So long. Oh my God. What a
So
treat.
happy to see you.
Come in, I have something for you.
Oh,
I prepared
yes.
something for you.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. I'm so honored and excited to be today at Cafe Maisie with Isabella Capece. She's the owner, and her husband is also here. And I love that you're working together. That's what my husband David and I do too. It's cool when you have the actual founders so immersed in the brand because they're so connected.
It makes a difference.
It makes a huge difference. So, Isabella, what made you want to open Maisie in Paris?
I didn't like food that's too processed. I don't like food that's too fancy either. I just want it to be good, genuine, comfortable for your gut.
Yeah.
A lot of things that still feel yummy. Feels like something you want to share. Gucci, I don't personally believe in things that are good for you
And
but
don't
not
taste
yummy.
good. Oh.
You just won't get me to eat it or drink it. It's like, for me, a green salad with no seasoning and no nothing in it. It's
Anemic.
rabbit food. It's anemic.
Rabbit food.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. So will you tell me about what we're making today? I'm so excited.
Gucci, what I thought of is a recipe that you can share with the whole family.
You were saying, Isabella, that it can be something that either you can make for the kids and that would be without the caffeine.
So this is like cold cafe. I love iced coffee.
Me too. That's your time spent in the US.
Yes, it's super yummy. It's like a snack, but healthy. I think we should start with the banana.
Yeah.
I put here a whole banana to add for thickness. Our peanut butter here, which I'm gonna add to the banana. Voila.
Voila.
Just make sure that your ingredients are of good quality. So this is chocolate that I grated, veggie, non-dairy yogurt. I don't think I've tasted like a cow's milk or yogurt in years. Not because it's not good, it just doesn't work for my gut.
Me neither.
Then I think I'm gonna go with the café.
Du café,
Voila,
frappé.
voila. And then the last ingredient is the oat milk. What I like about oat milk is that when you want to make a froth out of it, you can make
creamy.
a wonderful, it's creamy enough that you can make it look like a cappuccino.
And I saw you use Oatly, which is so nice.
Yeah.
It's Swedish.
I'm gonna blend it here.
Oh, that's such a quick blend.
Yeah, smell this. It smells like a little bit like
It smells cozy.
If you don't have curcuma, you can use maca, which is probably-
Ashwagandha.
Yeah. Voilà.
Oh my God. And it's so fast.
Comment va ton français, Gucci?
Oui, ça va. J'ai beaucoup parlé cette voyage. C'est bien.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready for this. And look how pretty it looks.
And it looks thick.
It looks like it's yummy. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
It's so rich and cozy and subtle. I'm so happy to have this right now.
Gucci, thank you so much for coming to Maisie. We missed you. For a year and a half, we didn't see any turn from the US here.
I know.
It was a lonely place.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
feels good. It feels like everyone is happy to see us.
Yeah,
and
and this fashion week, that's why it feels particularly, like special, and everyone is thrilled to be
here.
mingling again.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think there's a nice optimism in the air.
Yeah.
So, thank you all for watching. A bientôt. Bye.
Oh, thank you.